MicroJig raises the bar again with the MATCHFIT Dado Stop Pro, featuring everything you need to create precision dado cuts in one convenient package. The set includes one dovetail clamp, one dado stop, and one setup gauge, all designed to work together, giving you surgical precision with incredible ease. Use the setup gauge to lock in the exact kerf of your specific blade, allowing you to set up and cut flawless dados in a fraction of the time. The Dado Stop takes the guesswork out of cutting dados. By registering off the actual material you're using, you no longer need to measure, cut test pieces, or move your fence. Its unique design allows the dovetail clamp to stay out of the way, making it simple to use and safe to operate. It also makes cross-cutting with your miter gauge safer by eliminating the root cause of kickback. The setup gauge also serves as a depth gauge for your router, unlocking the unlimited applications for the dovetail clamp system. The Dado Stop Pro has everything you need to take your craft to the next level, make your shop more functional, and your work safer. 3 revolutionary products, infinite applications, all in one package.
MicroJig. Work safer. Work smarter.